Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today I am going to discuss with you all how to locate an irrational number on a number line. We know that root 2 is irrational number, root 3 is also irrational number. If I'll say root 5, it is also an irrational number. If I'll say root 17, it is also irrational numbers. Now how can we locate them on a number line? So first let's take root 2. I can write root 2 as 1 square plus 1 square under root, because 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1, so I will get root 2. Now how to locate it on a number line? Let's draw a number line. 0, 1, 2 is minus 1, minus 2, and you have to see that the distance between the integers must be same. Now see, here it is 1 square, so what you have to take the base as your 1 unit. So let's say this is a 1 unit distance, let it be point A. Now what is this 1 square? Now what I have to do is I have to take 1 unit distance equal to OA perpendicular to it. How to draw a perpendicular? You can draw a 90-degree angle here. So you can draw the perpendicular easily. Now 1 unit distance equal to OA. Open the compass of 1 unit distance that is equal to OA and mark on this perpendicular. So let it be point B. Now what you have to do is you have to join this OB. When you will join this OB, now see, this is a right angled triangle. OAB is your right angled triangle. Now if I'll apply Pythagoras theorem here, what you will get here, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. Now what you will get, OA is 1, that is 1 square, AB is also 1, so 1 square. What you will get, 1 plus 1, so OB is equal to root 2. Now you have got OB as root 2. Now open the compass and you have to measure this OB with the help of compass, and from this point, taking this OB as a radius, you have to draw an arc on the number line which is equal to OB. So this point is your root 2. So this is how we represent root 2 on a number line. Now suppose we need to represent root 3 on a number line. So how can you write root 3 as your root 2 square plus 1 square under root. So root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1, so you will get root 3. Now what you have to do is, see here, this distance is root 2. So what you have to do is, and this distance is also your root 2. So root 2 whole square plus 1 square, that means if I will consider this as base or this as base, then I can draw a perpendicular. Either you can draw the perpendicular here or you can draw the perpendicular here. It is up to you. Let's say if I'll draw a perpendicular here, we have to make 90-degree angle. So like this is your base and this is your perpendicular. Now this is how much? 1 unit distance. So measure from here 1 unit distance and mark a arc over here. Let it be point C. Now what you have to do is you have to join this OC. Now this distance OC, that is equal to your root 3, because this is root 2, this is 1. So root 2 square plus 1 square, this is again a right angle triangle. So you can see here root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1. So this will be your root 3. Or you can do this way also. You can, if this is root 2, you can make 90-degree angle over here also. If you will draw a 90-degree angle over here, then mark 1 unit distance from O join this point as OC, and then you have to measure it with the help of compass, and from compass, from point O, with the help of compass you can draw an arc, you will get the root 3. So let's say if you will measure it from this way or this way, you can mark the arc on this number line from where you will get root 3. Now let's say root 5. How you can draw root 5 on this number line? We can write root 5 as 2 square plus 1, because 1 square, so you will get here as 4 plus 1, that is under root 5. So what I will do is, I will draw a number line, mark the integers with the equal distance. Now what will I do is, this is 2 square, so that means base should be taken as 2 units. So after taking this distance as 2 units, what I have? 1 square. Now make a 90-degree angle or draw a perpendicular at 2. You will get the perpendicular over here. Now this is 1. So measure it with the help of compass and draw an arc at point 2 of 1 unit distance. Now join this point. Let it be point A and this be point B, that OB. Now see if this is a right angled triangle, triangle OAB is right angled triangle. So how will you draw it? This will be your OB's hypotenuse. So OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. So this will be your OA is your 2 whole square plus 1 square under root, and you will get here as 4 plus 1 under root is root 5. This is now what we have to do. We have to represent it on the number line. So we will measure it with the help of compass, and from point A draw an arc equal to OB on this number line. So let's say the arc will come here. So this point is your root 5. So similarly you can draw root 17 also, that is your 4 square plus 1 square, that means it will be your 16 plus 1. So you have, that is root 17. So you have to take base as 4 unit distance, and then you have to draw a 90-degree angle at this point 4, and then you have to draw a perpendicular to it. Then you have to measure 1 unit distance and then mark a arc and then join it, and whatever the distance you will get, draw it on the number line. Similarly you can draw root 37 also, that is your 6 square plus 1 square, that means 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. This is how you can draw the, or you can represent the irrational number on a number line. Whatever you have, what you have to see is, you have to see, first you have to make a right angle triangle, and then you have to see the location of points on the number line. Thank you.